Hello everyone, welcome to Trupti's Craft Weekly Live. How are you doing today? Do you have cicadas in your area? I live in Fairfax, Virginia, so we are seeing a lot of cicadas around my house. Uh, there are in different stages, and my daughter don't like them. She doesn't want to go outside. She said it's creepy, so I don't want to go outside. I don't want to play inside. So how about you? What's happening in your area? Don't forget to tell me. So let's start today's live. Today, first let me show you what I did in this week. So first, that Father's Day is coming, right? So I thought let's make something for fathers. So first, I made this anchor. I did the black color border and maroon color filling. So the size of this frame is 5 by 7. Anchor like this. The next one, I like that one. It's a dad. So in this frame, I use little bit different technique. I didn't do border with strips. I did this without border. First, you can see I put small tight coils underneath, and on top of that I glued these letters, and then I glued straight strips. So this is the new technique I use, and let me know how it is. Now also teachers end of year is end of school year is coming. So I thought let's make something for teachers. So I have two girls, so I made something from them for them. So this is apple. So in this apple, I used shades of red color strips, and I used some scrolls and loose coils and some eye shapes. So this is one apple. Let me show you one more apple. So this is green apple. So in this green apple, I just used some loose coils. So size of this is also 5 by 7. So green apple and red apple. And my younger one is saying, let's make different apple with different colors, like some blues, pinks, purples, like that one. Oh, hi Preeti, how are you? Which one you like, green or red? My favorite one is red one, and my daughter's favorite is green one. How about you? So these are some projects I did last week. Now I'm working on couple of greeting cards and one frame. In that greeting card, I'm gonna use some flowers, and in frame, this is the first time I'm gonna make hummingbird, and with some flowers and hummingbird. So let's see how it goes. Now I will show you how to make two types of flowers that I'm going to use in my greeting card. First, let me adjust my close-up camera so that you can see it. Okay, let me add my camera. Okay, so I'm going to use this kind of flower. Oops, yeah, this kind of flower in my greeting card. So in this flower, I use two teardrops and one tight coil, and I wrap that whole thing with another strip. So let me show you. So as I said, you can use any color strips. So my customer want this hot pink color flower, so I am using hot pink color. First I will show you, if you are new, you may don't know how to make loose coil. I will show you how to make loose coil. Take one strip and slotted tool. Insert strip inside the slot and then roll it. Roll it gently. Roll whole strip and then hold your fingers like this and remove it. And this is circle sizer, and put this tight coil in this circle. Now let's take glue. Just a minute. Now if you want, you can glue the end here only on the circle sizer, or other ways you can just remove this coil. So this is open end. So what can you do? Hold this open end like this and move this middle center of the coil in opposite direction of this open end, and then pinch it like this and take glue and glue the open end. So this is teardrop. So we need two teardrops for one petal. So take another coil, move center opposite to the open part and pinch it, and then glue it. So we are going to make 6 petals, and for each petal we are going to use 2 teardrops. So I made 2 teardrops and we need 1 small tight coil. For this tight coil I used half strip. So let's make 1 petal. So take 1 teardrop, put glue on one side, take another teardrop and glue it. Hold it for few seconds. So it's kind of hard. Now take glue and put glue here on top of these 2 teardrops or middle of this heart, and then glue the tight coil like this and hold this for few seconds. Now I am using same color strip, but if you want you can use different color strip to wrap whole petal. Now take glue, put glue here, another strip, and just wrap this strip around these 2 hearts, 2 teardrops and tight coil. So you can wrap the whole strip around these shapes, and you can just remove excess strip and glue it. So your petal is ready. So you can make 5 more petals and just glue those petals like this. And let's glue one tight coil on top of this center like this. So your beautiful flower is ready. You can use this flower for greeting card or decorate any frame or make magnet with this. And you can play around with different colors. And just like this, for this petal I use 2 teardrop. So for next flower I'm going to show you how to use double curve eye shape to make another kind of petal. So for that also we need I'm going to use purple color and one yellow color. So when I make shapes for flowers, I usually use this electric slotted tool. So it's easy, just press the button. You can just make the coil within few seconds. So you need 3 coils and let's make eye shape, double curve eye shape. So take the coil and pinch it on both sides like this. Put glue. And now we are gonna give S shape. Just hold a hand like this and then bring one hand down like this. So you will have double curved eye shape like this. I will show you again. This time I will use yellow coil. Just pinch it, make eye shape. Put glue and bring this hand down like this. So we need one more. Pinch it, make eye shape, put glue and bend it like this. Now I will show you how to glue these 3 parts together. So first take purple color, put glue on top of it like this, and then I'm taking yellow color, put glue and then glue it like this, and again put glue on this yellow strip and add third curve eye shape. So you are going to glue like this. Now we are going to wrap whole thing with purple color. So this is the shape, and then put glue at one corner and just hold it for a few seconds and wrap it around these 3 shapes. Oh, I forgot to tell you, please use glue all around so that this shape is not curved, exact curve. It has some bumps. So for first round, put glue all around and then wrap it. Remove excess strip and put glue. So like this, you can make petal. You can make 5 petals, 6 petals, and then glue like regular flower. Right now I am not gonna show you remaining petals, but after some time I will wrap these shapes with the purple color strips and I will glue it and I will post a picture in the comment section. So that's it for today. Let me know which creation you liked, and if you want to learn something different, you can also tell me what you want to learn. I will try to teach you that thing for you. So, good night and be safe. Bye.